So this is the hair that we have to remove and throughout, so that make sure every hair that we make is in high quality. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video, let me show you how we bleach the hair, and so that we make sure it's a single donor and every bundle and every piece of hair is great quality. And let me show you, this is the hair already being bleached. You can show here, like you can see, this is hair after bleach. So every piece of the hair is one single donor. You can see, so that every piece of hair is single donor, and the hair is very pure color, no any mixed color here, no color strand. You can see this color is very pure and uniformed color. Look, single donor every piece, so that the color is very pure, right? This is the root of the hair. This is actually the tip of the hair. Very nice. And this is actually the hair which is not in very nice quality. This is also single donor hair, but the color is not so pure, so some of the hair is already being dyed before when we sauce it, so that the color will be not bleached very pure like that kind of good hair. So this is the hair that we have to remove and throughout, so that make sure every hair that we make is in high quality. You can see this hair has some kind of red tone, because the hair is already color dyed before. And some of, you can see, this kind of hair we will not use in finished products. We have to throw out. And for this kind of hair, you can see in this part it's actually very nice color, but on the tip it's getting very dark. That's because here is already being dyed and the donor grew out new hair in this. So this kind of hair we can also not use. So that is the great quality hair. Great quality hair, all very pure color and single donor every piece. Every piece is very single donor, so that make sure that all the finished products is in highest quality. So if you want the very high quality single donor hair, use that kind of hair, not mixed donors. So thank you for watching today's video. Have a good day.